Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to add text-to-speech to a clip now. First, open TikTok and tap the plus, record or upload the exact footage. Once recorded, trim the clip to the part you want narrated. Then tap text to add a text box or use captions to auto-generate timestamps. You do this because TTS reads exactly what's in the text layer, so placement matters. Make sure each line matches the visual moment before you move on to voice selection. Now select the voice and tweak timing. Tap the text box and choose text-to-speech from the menu. Pick a voice that fits your tone. Once chosen, adjust speed settings to slow or speed up delivery so it matches on-screen action. If one block of text reads too long, split it into multiple text boxes placed at the right timestamps. This gives you precise sync and avoids rushed narration, so viewers clearly hear each line as visuals change. Finish by previewing and testing across devices. Play the full clip to confirm voice timing and clarity. Edit text length or pause points if lines overlap visuals. Once satisfied, save as draft or export privately to listen on another phone, because device audio can affect perception. If text-to-speech doesn't appear or sounds off, restart the app, clear cache, or reinstall. Alternatively, try a different TTS voice. Sometimes
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.